Hi, Karen George again. MenoFit is here now, and you need to sign up before we get to start on the 26th so that you can do a couple of the bonuses that you're going to get. So I'm going to remind you what is in MenoFit. So MenoFit in the basic part is a fitness program for menopausal women. So that's really what you're buying. So you're getting 15 minutes Monday to Friday of pre-recorded videos and some join-in lives with me if you can. All the advice that goes around that and the progressions of those exercises for 3 months to make sure that you are moving along. The exercises are strength, flexibility, cardio by month 3, recovery work, and some challenges that I hope you'll find fun. All right, so that's the basis of what you're buying, but on top of that you get sticky habits. So that's our how to break and how to make your habits, and you can apply that all areas of your life. Okay, so sticky habits is really good, and it's really helped me stay away from that pantry there. And also to get this program finally done and finished. All right, so it's great. The second bonus is the 5-minute flex routine. We call it the morning routine because it's really good to do in the morning, and honestly it does take just 5 minutes, no equipment needed, but you will feel much better throughout your day. And it's snuck into sticky habits, so that I'm hoping that you'll make that a sticky habit. All right, so then you also get MenoFood. So while this is not a diet, it's a healthy lifestyle for the menopausal women. So you will get recipes and tips and tricks and all sorts of knowledge about keto and intermittent fasting and why they're not so good usually post menopause, and what science has proven to be the best diet for menopausal and postmenopausal women into their later years. Okay, so that's MenoFood. Did I mention the metabolic booster, which is a drink that you have every morning and really kickstarts the engine, and you go to work with lots of energy. So then you're also going to get MenoFix, which is our library of really helpful videos about how to sleep with pain in certain joints, how to tell if you need to go to a therapist, and how to choose and use a pillow even, so that you're sleeping much better and not hurting your back and your neck. So there's an ever-increasing library, so every time I do something on those topics, in it pops, and then there is a community. So I know a lot of you are kind of just, I'm going to call you stalkers, because you just sit on the periphery and you watch what's going on. And I'm really lucky if I even get a like from you, but I know you're there. So this is a community of just the people who are doing the program, and it would be really nice if that was active. But it gives you a forum so that you can ask questions. And I bet you anything, if you've got a question, then you're asking it on behalf of other people as well. Okay, so it's a really useful forum, and I will be congratulating and celebrating people's performance in there as well, and doing a few lives. Okay, so you can join along with me. So that's the community that you get. And then I'm sure there's something else. Yes, there is MenoCalm. Okay, so this is tips and tricks about how to reduce some of those lingering menopause symptoms like hot flashes. Okay, so hands up who still gets those. Menopause doesn't finish the day you are 12 months post your period. Okay, so that's the official date that you are menopausal, but you are menopausal for the rest of your life because your body chemistry has changed. So sleep is included in that, energy and breath work is included in that, and basically you get to ask me questions, and if I don't know it, I will find it out, or I'll find you an expert and we'll all go through this 3 months, and at the end of it, we're going to feel awesome. All right. So that's what you're buying. It starts on the 26th, so that's the day after Anzac Day here in New Zealand. And it's a Tuesday, which is an odd day to start. But before that, you will receive sticky habits. Okay, you'll receive all your instructions on how to choose the right level for MenoStrong, the strength part of it, and what equipment you need, which is just about nothing. All right, this is aimed to do at home. Really, no excuse. And so we all start together on Tuesday, the 26th. This time, because it's the first time I'm running a fitness program like this, I'm offering it half price. So look down below, there's the sign up form, and there's also, you can contact me. Okay, so if you're at all a little bit anxious, you got any questions, then let me know them, and I hope to see you inside MenoFit.